When you appeared here last May, I asked you about the Associated Press case. You weren't able to supply any details because you said you had recused yourself early on. I asked you if there was the date of that, or whether it was a formal process, and you said there was no record of it. And I at that time indicated to you, and I think you probably agreed with me, that there should be a need when you recuse yourself from a case to have a formal written entry. Have y'all adopted such a policy?
Well, I have. I guess I'm not sure that we have formally done so, but in my own mind, I've thought that to the extent that I recuse myself in other matters, I would do so and put a writing together of some sort that would indicate what the basis was for that recusal.
Now, I know you just indicated it was conflict of interest or appearance of a conflict of interest, but right. do you not believe that because of that and other cases that it's essential that there actually be a formal process where you submit, or whether there's something in writing with a date and time on it?
Yeah, I think it's no. I think you raised it during the hearing last year, and as I said then, I think it's a good idea. My only concern is
But I mean, as opposed to a good idea, why doesn't Justice Department adopt a formal process and do that? You know, particularly in that you're required by law to sign off on any subpoena involving the media. So I just think, particularly in a matter like that, but there ought to be a formal recusal.